Good morning. I'm out in the garden and I am just doing a little tour. I was checking on my beets and my beets are doing really good. I companion plant, so I have my beets next to my Spanish black radishes, and then I also have them with some beets, and it looks like there's a little bit of bug damage, but that's okay. I'm pretty much just looking at the overall health of the beet. I'm really excited. I also have it planted next to my rosemary. My rosemary are doing good. I planted that from seed and I'm really happy. I always plant rosemary, a new batch of rosemary every spring in my garden, so always got to have your herbs. And then when I looked over, this is a carrot plant, and that is, I didn't plant that there, so I guess it planted from seed from the spring. I have my carrots in another section of the garden, and it looks like there's two carrot plants that kind of self-seeded. Here's another one. So always excited to see carrots. So we got two little carrots mixed in with everything. My thyme, I mix my herb and my vegetables together, so everything's looking good. Today I just wanted to show you, give you a quick update on my beets. Thanks for watching.